In today's video, we will be talking about Canva, how to use Magic Write. Now, Magic Write will now be located inside the Magic Studio. If you don't know, Magic Write has been a feature in Canva for a while now, and if you haven't been using it, you have been missing out. And since Magic Studio is a new feature of Canva, which can be located over here on the left side under the home, you will now be able to find in the Magic Studio all the powerful AI located in one place, and this includes the Magic Write. Now, Magic Write can be used on any type of project. You could use it on your presentation, on your document, or even a random canvas that you have just created. And the way Magic Write works is just you're simply going to enter a prompt, similarly with how you can use ChatGPT, and it will produce you an output. As you can see, Magic Write is located below the Magic Design. So let's click on Try Magic Write, and it's going to explain to you how it works. So you can type a prompt and watch Magic Write generate teaching content. You can streamline tasks like creating lesson plans or even use it for other purposes. And you can easily tailor it to whatever option or whatever thing you need. You can also see here the extra features that it has. You could ask it to continue writing, summarize, rewrite, have more fun or more formal, or even fix some spelling over here. The sprinkle fairy dust will allow you to transform your text into a fantasy type of text, and it will use words that are typically used in fairy tale. But as you can see right now, this is the Magic Write. It created a new document for us. So let's try an example for now, and let's click on Generate. The example is brainstorm ideas for marketing a new running shoe, and this is the output that it will produce. As you can see here, very quick and very fast. Then what you can do is you could click on the plus option over here on the left side, which would allow you to use the Magic Write again. Then you will be able to produce another set. Or you could highlight a part, click on Magic Write. Then you could either continue writing, summarize text, rewrite, make it more fun or more formal, or you could fix the spelling. Or you could try out the sprinkle fairy dust, which, like I said earlier, will produce some words that are typically used in a fairy tale, like mystical forces, radiant, or tapestry, unique facets, Petra, glimpse of its wonder. As you can see, the way the words have been used are typically used in fairy tale or books. And it's very simple to use. You could use it to whatever content, or you could ask it to generate anything you want. And the way you use it depends on you to take advantage of its ability to produce anything you ask it to produce. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.